In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and add a font to Figma Web. By the end, you'll have a new font installed on your computer, connected through Figma Font Helper, and ready to select in Figma Web. First, download the font file, either .ttf or .otf, from a trusted source. On screen, open your browser, go to the site you trust, and click the download button for the font you want. Save the font file to a location you can find easily, like your Downloads folder. So TTF and OTF are standard font formats and both work for this process. Next, install the font on your computer. On Windows, open the folder where you save the font, right-click the .ttf or .otf file, and click Install. If Windows asks for permission, confirm it. On Mac, double-click the font file to open it in Font Book, then click Install Font. Give it a moment to finish installing before you move on. Installing it at the system level makes the font available to your apps. Now, open your browser and go to figma.com. In the address bar, type figma.com and press Enter. If you're already there, you can stay on the page. From here, download and install the Figma Font Helper from Figma's website. On figma.com, locate the Figma Font Helper download, click the download button for your operating system, then run the installer you just downloaded. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. The Font Helper is a small utility that securely connects your local fonts to Figma Web, which is necessary for using fonts installed on your computer inside the browser. Once that's done, restart your browser after installing Font Helper. Fully close the browser window, quit the application if needed, and reopen it. Restarting ensures the browser detects the helper and can access your local fonts correctly. At this point, open your Figma file, select a text layer, and go to the font dropdown. In your Figma window, click to open your project or file. Click on any existing text layer to select it. Then move to the toolbar at the top, open the font dropdown to see the list of available fonts. Your newly installed font should now appear in the list. Select it to use. If you have a long list, start typing the font name in the dropdown's search field to find it quickly. Click the font name, and you should see the text layer update immediately to the new style. If the font includes multiple weights or styles, you can choose those from the Style menu next to the font name. That's it. You've downloaded the font, installed it on your computer, added the Figma Font Helper, restarted your browser, and applied the font to a text layer in Figma Web. Your setup is complete, and the new font is now working in your Figma project. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.